Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Far too kind.
Yeah.
Ready?
Let's go. Can I get an encore? Do you want more?
Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll.
Yeah.
Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, nigga, make some noise.
Get him, Jay.
Who you know fresher than Ho? Riddle me that. The rest of y'all know where I'm lyrically at. Can't none of y'all mirror me back. Yeah, hear me rap, it's like hand G rapping his prime. I'm young H.O., raps Grateful Dead. Back to take over the globe, now break bread. I'm in Boeing Jets, Global Express. Out the country, but the blueberries still connect. On the low, but the yacht got a triple deck. But when you young, what the fuck you expect? Yep. Grand opening, grand closing. Goddamn your manhole, crack the can open again. Who you gonna find open a hand with no pen? Just draw inspiration. Who you gonna see you can't replace him with cheap imitations from these generations? Hardcore, do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. Yeah. Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, nigga, make some noise.
Okay, we're here in Miami. First of all, the track or the parking looks really good. But the track looks really good. There's some really technical corners, and I think it's gonna suit very good. We have a rocket of a livery. Raceworks had this special surprise of having a Miami car for Miami, and it looks unbelievable. So I hope it will give us good luck, and it's our lucky charm for this weekend. And yeah, it looks all really good. We have now drivers meeting in like half an hour, so let's see how that goes. And yeah, really looking forward to this weekend. We have very limited time on track because we have only 1 hour of free practice between both of free practice. So it's gonna see and be whoever is the best getting to know the tracks this year. So yeah, that's gonna make a big difference. Learning how to go with the flow of the track and getting the car ready to go with that flow of the track.
Yes, yeah, that always helps. It's easy to collect, can be perfect.
Okay, so I'll tell you line when I get it. But yeah, easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Alright, I'll do it.
Cool, man. Let's have some fun.
Yeah.
Won't be better
of the rear when it's braking. And then the only thing that I need is on rotation. The car is
What do you have the brake lines to do it? They sent new masters, they only took it.
No, they were in 48. And then car behavior is just that on Pintos corner, it's just front limited. High speed is really good, but it's like a front limited, like it's just like it's not turning like corner to the body. This one, here, 7.6. But I don't know, maybe it's just like oh shit, it's good more. But then I don't get.
Did you sit in the car before?
No, that's the problem. I didn't. I just went straight away, jump, and I was like, shit, it's actually really good.
Did you know the seat was getting moved?
I knew when we were in pre-green. I do double check for anyway. Apart from that, Tommy, just that lack of rotation in the middle, but it could be because of this. I want to go through that door with the brake as well.
I missed
It was just like this. And then not holding it too much, and then just my driver in the other town, taking the gym.
No, but we don't do all those things anyway. Let's do a couple of seats. I did. I just brought it, but I'm gonna lace that couple hours. Look great. Everything, but it was simple, right? It wasn't like it was one time yes, one time no, or not worked over the section.
No, it was gonna be keep making it longer every lap, like progressively increase, sort of thing. Apart from that,
Let's go. Well, second day done.
Second day done, yeah.
We didn't go that many laps though.
We didn't do a lot of laps. We didn't do a single clean lap without fuel pump issue again.
Yeah.
But I will say, after reviewing data from yesterday, I'm so blessed to have a co-driver like you, where you're so chill, bro. The way you talk to me, you're
just a good listener.
I know. I felt like I disappointed you so much yesterday.
Nah.
But then just talking to you, you're like, bro, it's okay. Like the track's gonna come to you, the drive's gonna come to you.
Exactly.
You gave me the confidence, and then also looking at oh my god, bro, looking at your your data, your lines, all that. I'm like, okay, over here, like drive like like places I didn't think I could actually go flat like that quick. Just looking at yours, seeing from like your video, like, okay, so if I thought this was my threshold,
yeah,
I thought this is peak, and then seeing you're doing this, now I know, okay,
that you
I
can
have,
go
I have
down.
more.
Yeah. That's the whole point. When you yesterday came up to me and you were like, oh, like, I don't know, I'm not sure. I saw like it was +6. I was like, dude, it's the second time you jump on the car. First time that you jump on a street circuit. What you were expecting? Like, first time that I jumped in, I was very far behind as well. So I was like trying to bring your feet down on earth, because the simulator sometimes can trick us, thinking of like, oh yeah, this is pretty easy. But when you need to actually put the minerals on it, the things change.
Yeah, on the sim, everything's easy.
Yeah,
coming here, seeing the walls, I'm like going that fast.
I was the same. I was like, shit, this is coming close.
But I will say today, a lot more confidence. Today, the half lap I got here, one sector here, everything was good. Unfortunately, every lap we kept having the fuel pump issues, but for half a lap at a time, the fuel pump was working. So I got a little here, got a little there.
We can just work on sectors.
Yeah, so we're gonna piece the sectors together and see what the optimal would have been and where we can improve. But man, going in tomorrow.
But to be honest, for tomorrow, the car it feels pretty good.
Well, the car is so good. Yeah, the car feels really good.
Like the baseline that we came with, because Casey and we did a long conversation to try to set up the car, because obviously I came here before and then he had another conversation with Daniel and Eric, and like the idea that we sort of came up is just this. Okay. So Casey and I, we just like, Casey, Daniel, Eric and I, we gave birth this setup idea of like how to set it up.
That's why you go to school, man.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And we sort of found like it works pretty well. So for tomorrow, we don't have that many laps, but we didn't show our cards, so they might need to be ready.
Okay, we'll see what happens. I will not let you down tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna send it. We'll see. I just hope the blessing is
all the issues with the car have been FP1, FP2.
Yeah.
Hopefully during quali and the races, our car is good.
It's perfect, and we don't have no problems.
You know, it is time the other cars have some problems.
Exactly. So yeah, let's go for it for tomorrow.
Okay.
And let's go.
Let's do it.
Welcome along to Miami here at the Grand Prix circuit. We've got coming up for you our first race of the weekend for the McLaren Trophy North American Series. It's their third round of the championship, already having had a couple of races at Sonoma. The cars qualified yesterday and, well, qualified earlier today, actually, now I think about it. They had free practice yesterday. And Tom, delighted to see the McLaren out there. You are media manager for McLaren and you cover all of these cars, both in Europe and in North America. Drivers set them up in conjunction with their teams.
Exactly. Well, as you say, this is the car that's based on the GT4 package. However, this is the trophy car, so it's our own championship, so we're allowed to a little bit of wiggle room in the regulations. So these cars 2x2 line up.
Yep, they certainly do. So watch out for Jeff Cook on the front row along Tony Adams, and yellow and blue for Scott Sabaro, just to pick out some colours towards the sharp. There will flash off now. We get the race underway, and it looks as though Jeff Cook has got a good start already and has managed to break away a little bit from Sam Nesser as they head up towards turn number 1 for the first time. So Sam Nesser sitting down there in second place at this stage, and it's Patrick Liddy that's there. It remains stranded, I'm afraid, pointing the wrong direction at turn number 1, and that's another car that is off as well, I'm afraid, and that is going to be Mondi.
What a shame. That's a car that Tommy Pintos was hoping to get into later. But that, yeah, I think that's on the outside of turn 1, potentially, that cup.
Well, the weekend is done. Finished very early. Race got cancelled because due of weather conditions. It was pretty heavy lightning storm when our race was due, so they cancelled it just because of the FIA regulations. So everyone just decided to get some Red Bulls and then just enjoy the rest of the weekend, seeing some really nice cars in the F1 and enjoying what we have left of the day. So yeah, shortest weekend that we ever had in the coolest event of the year. Well, second coolest event of the year, because Spa 24 is going to be the coolest one, but it's been good, and it's been a pleasure to start working with Mondi, to everyone. So yeah, now head down for Road Atlanta, Monza, GT World Challenge, and Road Atlanta in McLaren Trophy.
Bye.